Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Face ID-capable iPhone and the Apple ID password for one-time verification. Once ready, open Settings and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your device passcode when prompted. Now turn on the toggle labeled iTunes and App Store so Face ID can authenticate purchases. This links your biometric unlock to store actions. Make sure Face ID already recognizes your face. If not, follow the on-screen steps to enroll it before proceeding to password set. Next, open Settings and go to App Store, then Password Settings. You'll need to sign in with your Apple ID to view options. Choose the less frequent password requirement after 15 minutes, or set free downloads without a password if offered. This reduces prompts while Face ID handles authentication for purchases. At the same time, confirm Face ID remains enabled for iTunes and App Store. Once done, test with a small free or paid item, so Face ID prompts instead of typing. To finish, make a small App Store action and watch for the Face ID prompt. That confirms success. If Face ID doesn't appear, open Settings, right arrow Face ID and passcode, and re-enroll your face, then toggle iTunes and App Store off and back on to force a sync. Occasionally, you'll need to enter your Apple ID password once for security. Do that, then Face ID will resume. If problems persist, restart the phone and ensure iOS is updated. These steps resolve most hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.